Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? By the grace of God and your prayers, I am also very well. আজকে আমরা দ্য স্টোরি বিহাইন্ড দ্য স্টোরি এর তৃতীয় পেজ রিডিং স্টার্ট করব। সো লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড।
One of the many real-life examples comes from Charlie Jones, a well-respected broadcaster for NBC TV, who revealed that hearing the story of Who Moved My Cheese saved his career. His job as a broadcaster is unique, but the principles he learned can be used by anyone. Here is what happened. Charlie had worked hard and had done a great job of broadcasting track and field events at an earlier Olympic Games. So he was surprised and upset when his boss told him he had been removed from these showcase events for the next Olympics and assigned to swimming and diving. Not knowing these sports as well, he was frustrated. He felt unappreciated and he became angry. He said he felt it wasn't fair. His anger began to affect everything he did. Then he heard the story of Who Moved My Cheese.
যদি আপনাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে প্লিজ লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই চ্যানেল।